brain. Nimuno. Yeni war Kumasi and I say forest zone also every 23 and pay never call 35 degrees Celsius. Apart from say I bought a ball as you see me a bit to ready and me pour quiet any soon 101. We are not so being a one in there. Now there's also up I said in the kind Kumasi about 35 degrees Celsius. Now a free bears and non so and numerous non so 7 p.m. Elkono and also so in Suno and so baby dini chuma. Now this weekend, Ochina, Emenda, and then question then Kumasi is Suno Ebegugu. And see Okobe ya do Juma program bia no I know one. Now about the true see entem. Question that the end and from Ebegum and see yana answer ya actually. And she said John the thinking in and said ne Ochina and Memenda in Suno Begugu, Ashanti Kumasi in important.
I see. Opani Abekasa. It was a for me ready to Kunamotin in Kanunti. That is that for the day and then the weekend. In Tiana, we are near my own share. Yeah, na one who said Obisia. And in fact, Bibian Sunia. Yeah, na me ready to ku Obon Homo de Pa. Biani obey update. Na Yesusi update Timo. I just say, Nema Nina Kosi, kama at the amount. Mema Renfi say, Yo Ghana month him. Na Ghana month him, why you want Jumedia Hodo Pina, Yakan was matro say, Ebi Abese ko, Ebi Sunam Kwemwa Eba. Na Sisia Yaka say, Akoma 87.9 FM. Yeah, the Jumedia Cassia pa Ebinsi was Santimantem Hada. Ebinsi was a Santimantem Hada. And I can assure you, say everything is in place. Ebebuama and Yemen so Akoyi. Na the Omuni 21st March. Na 21st, you know. Ayo china na watching. Tinya kwantintin bia. Enyina ebesia wo culture center. We eye Akoma Ashanti Cultural Festival. Na a festival a say the makano make subio say mi hu bi. De eboba no de mahu. And Bibia Trese, a was a war. Yamia Dumois, or Tina Watchy, a was a war. Yabanu and Yane Tianuan de Asia Bedidi. Aha. The boy, the other what in ding? Oh, but yeah, Yamia Atia, we won't taste be crowded. 87.9 Yamia Dumois on that day. Yania Hoduanya Sem Ketwa. Yeah, the ethnic groups are Machia na Obia Banode na Mamre and she said Osibo de Bra near my Komu and Diane na Fadi say near my bebre na ye can once a one. Yami Adomwa, yeah, we Fuguya machine. You money say Yami Adomwa 21st Fufrokra, Melon Chifufrokra, Nafi. And yeah, down also so no annual day. I got them BBA, Yami Adomo 21st. Ebishia na comment team, but Shannon. Oh, yeah, would near ma, won't you say, Nana? Why in the kama said a bear in a bit Messia. Yama Kosi kama. Oh, in fact, the Ghana Tourism Authority for Etaye Chip Yasem Kitwa Sansuna Center for National Culture and so Etaye Chia. Yeah, this Jumedi. Eddie Ebreo. Sponsors, I can assure you, say, Jumedia way, Uber sponsor, Unuhu. Because a domo ebano. And untina, ABA Herbal Clinic, Abba. Or Quada Sujuna say, or say, when ni Quada Sujuna say, main market, nechipe. Or say, for anyone sembra, no one shem famau. Over friend was 0541 5651 0541 565199. Grow Fine Herbal Tonic makes you grow fine. But I know you're the natural cocoa. And I baby, I will rebia no per grow fine. O per do to the no afre. Na also so wajibi 0244 596532. 0244 596532. Medimafo Herbal Clinic. Medimafo. Dr. Time Daso, Dr. Dujemfi, and Sukraimu. Na anopay, Bomodin, say on Subetima friend, or do any better, na diano, wako na washe ediamao. Number near 0244 774282. 0244 774282. Ochia Herbal Powder, Ochiano, to Janishowa, Wankasa Obeba. Bema wa emre. Na just say, wabomodin no Ochia. When you be a bebo papa. Bomodin say obefre. Now so no wajibi 0551 228281. 0551 228281. Angel Rock Mixture. Our pharmacy shop mu, herbal shop mu okwa abenye bi. And also beboa wo usisi say area wo no. Na ha dwen affect adwuma. Wana watena se che driver fo amutie mi na no pay. Munyina no monhwe na munya bi. Na emmoa mo. Opemfo de nko ho. Na eboa wo ema nso so utimi ye adwuma kama. 0244 1866 12. 0244 1866 Eno eye de tie no ntino esi aye ka sei ye boa ye ho na nyame adoma 21st ye nyina nso so ye hia na bibia akoso ye kama adiama from next week ikono the ethnic groups are ye do ba anaso wo ba dwumadi na se no the woman say ye be ma akwan na King Kennedy Dokpo kan na ohun o de kasa no na also do invite you ni aso mra me akra by next week no na kasa no bebre ho a ai de metima ye de invitation de metima ye and the way they say no answer meja gum na ye kwa ba binti mon hye no so e wo ho emfa ama in fact and that yebehwe na fei niema bi wo ho a ya clear na ya koye ni va se si aye ka sei anopa wote se ma abena ka ho asem se Johnson asi edu nkete ya de akotum se o se na komo ekoso nyina no nra me ka ho asem se Ghana mabunu hia adwuma and of course Sanetie Ghana babunu ohia adwuma Posi adwuma ne military ne immigration ne whatever no aye ka ho asem no ye wo mo de ye se ewo mu so mo beye se ono de o se mi nyina no eno ana me se meye enti ukọ yen senior high schools na san kwara ni nyina you see them na omo e de omo ho je womo cadet ene sa na yemani mu actively do we are a honey target if I so kodi ba bi kura no a o pere so obesa aba ho omo ho ene ye wo omo a omo de ane de omo se yenya bi nti ye penisa nti ono saa no de o penisa no okwa o waje on de ko that is the point e crew man saa na tie krofo bebre e find you omo say wo adwuma bi mu a ubisa ne pa se pa so on kan okra say adwuma oyi wonyina kuma mu kan okra nkyira wo beka je say bra baby am tene de enso so meye ne den so ono ti adwuma ne ma na odwira buruchire ti ekwan beto ho apa on na esin no e de wo mo no they are there wo mo ye adwuma no You get a point. Enti no na ama mabunu. Say no aye din come from Wednesday no komo we ne di abeka enai ebeto so akọ ni nyina ne say oman no adwuma sem adwuma abaye a major challenge de ama mabunu. Enti se mabunu ti se akwanya we aba obeko. Apart from so muko 220 Ghana cedis, ekoto forms, go through the process. There no ya kaso omra medicals. Obedi maybe days or 2, 3, 4 days. Obedi wo krom ha. Na baby okoda ya aduane obedi ni sa na mani nyina no. Ye be factor ni nyina wom. E ka wabo. Beyond that, ebi no ma cheche sika. So omo a enei womani abre ko social media no so nkrofo bi mani abre. Ebi no mo ho a omo cheche sika. Ebi so ho a party for ni bi so ho a no Christmas wo mu se party for ni bi ho mani abre ne ya. Bi no akwaje nkrofo sika. Yan ka no kre. Ebinom akwaje nkrofo sika. Ebinom po ho a at the time we didn't know constituencies na kra no. Na party money be crap akwanya. See man assurance a wan farmer party ni. And then one many abro mo kasa bi ho. Me say ebinom ho mo ye constituency executives. Ebinom ho a akwanya no a kan oh ya ke betima boa. The assurance ne say. So the Bema party ni na wonya ho hwede no de Akoma bi fufura jiska. Enti binu mo ha isi aye kasa mani brabri nyina mo kasa nyina na wo mo issue threat ni sa ni mani nyina no. Di wo mo ne say binu mo ha krofo sika bedi omo ho. Krofo sika abedi omo ho. Ebinum awofo tuetie sika. Enti ye kan no enye 220 no nko akra na ye issue. Eno na ye official sika nkrofo betimi aka. Ebinum 20,000, ebinum 30,000. Why you desperate pe adwuma? They said they na ye ka because of the situation I wo munti no. Emabu ibi ye dede wo mo kill net ne ho ahwan dede nkwada yi mabu ibi de wo mo kwahye baabi. Someone I spoke to or say baby I me want me mpe. But the problem is that me mame ni koko or the akoji sika e de ama me say maka say me tu kwan maka say me koye adwuma and you alko mo ha ura mo ha boys ni bi e ba bejegira ho na o ma dress say de wo mo wo obi man so na o ma gina create environment a e betima suit sa nkomodie no atwa oba boys be bejegira no mu twa pictures enya bibia o. Because more hono environment no obetim dey deceive obi say oh me wo Canada boys in bit ha they are here nti onam krom ha adwuma a wo pa wo nya nti onam krom ha o jene ma misika okopa adwuma ye na nkrofo scam omo scammers omo wo kroma scam omo almost I didn't go for promises I didn't go for be too kind no musika akodim na boys in nam sa anti boys ni bi o we share omo am I confused am I frustrated na nam kroma and you almost akwanya ba na say immigration and also fire service prisons any sa na no ya apply with the beko enunti na numbers ye hu 500,000 applications. Security services mabuna womo ekoye adwuma kopa adwuma ye no. I don't know. After when you know na nipa 5,000 and you betimi afa. Now I mean kawi Enra ye ka ho asem. Ene ya ka say the national chairman Edema the NDC Edina no atum say enipa 500,000 asem ne ye ka no. Enipa 500,000 but what they tie no. We no men kasa bebre. Tie se dun ketia.
And 50,000, 500,000, and one more empire, Akopolis. And you check 500,000. Nase, a simple Pia or Pepper, Apple, young farm. You found police for 500,000. And he found out when you come for crash it. And for I want you, I police. And why? I never continue. It is our president. 500,000 say, Obia person go police. Make it so. Police yes say, okay, let a man no one. As a sound follow now, physical, only Chianica. Open obey. And you put some channel. Let's just say, Nipa, you bet me a foul a few. And just 5,000, 500,000. And I hear 5,000. And that the idea for. So what the idea means that the mouse will 5,000, 500,000. Over bread. And don't you say, you fool, or pay security no umbrella. Let's say, you deny one march alone to you. I'm pressure about the boss. Only 500,000 will be a police will run. You can show your deal. So that you show fire service in you and then you call. Indeed, 5,000, yes, sanity woman. I don't have my problems. I have 50,000, 500,000. And now, one more empire, Akopolis. And you check 500,000. Nase, a simple Pia or Pepper, Apple, young farm. You found police for 500,000. And he found out when you come for crash it. And for I want you, I police. And why I never continue. It is our president. 500,000 say, Obia person go police. Make it so. Police yes say, okay, let a man no one. As a sound follow now, physical, only Chianica. Open obey. And you put some channel. Let's just say, Nipa, you bet me a foul a few. And just 5,000, 500,000. And I hear 5,000. And that the idea for. So what the idea means that the mouse will 5,000, 500,000. Over bread. And don't you say, you fool. Okay, security no umbrella. Let's say, you deny one march alone to you. I'm pressure about the boss. Only 500,000 will be a police will run. You can show your deal. So that you show fire service in you and then you call. Indeed, 5,000, yes, sanity woman. I don't have my problems here. Akoma. Indeed, Muntaka, or also bread. They are friend in Nakasa, or also church, nothing. No, I ask them to see.
General, no. Na wa ntieno no saa de ehye wa mfa me shima na ayede seno no eno general so wa mfa me shima na ayede you see asem ba eya na ye hwe hawa ye be manage asem no yani very important too, very important. We a sensitive issue pa asem ade we you see emrantie no a ye do omukogu akire no yaka e okromas unemployment a security threat, a security threat. at the more minor. And untina NDC I can't say or the 24-hour economy beba. In general, 24-hour economy. One also mu. Enti ka wo kan, said ka wo kan sa say. Ye ka se afie nyina no a. Ye ka se afie nyina. Nka options na nka wo betimi abɔ no. Ka bebre wo ho. So man is serious pa. Nka options na there wo niam nka betimi abɔ so no. Nya se nka wan na ekwati akrɔfo. Tabi okay, oh, your family now was security services ni mu a. Why na? Obe produce bia shoe na. Sa mpaboa na police ni sia no. Why na be produce? Nka no ne nke ka. Why na? Why na? Obe produce atade no a. Police ni sia no. Cannot ankieka. Esi there say one kwati akrofo. Come on. Me who video no. Ma who so atro general atro krata.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Atro krata. But you see a Ghana mabunu me ebia na party for na Evans with your buy. Yes, I mean Evans in Kubasha to Fletcher. Sir John, I totally disagree with you. Yes, but me they meet myself say enka sasem we no. So why the bet akrofo. Hey.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Enka ye kan the woman say nke kire baabi the kire mu me baabi akanka mabunu ka oh ayi akwanya wa ha nti e ka se efom nyina wo security services ni mu a hwan ye benya na kwaye wei hwan ye benya na kwaye wei hwan ye benya entinka tesenka ye hwehwe mabunu na nke do ma ye adwuma obi aso pe police obi aso pe immigration di hwan mu ne ye de mbaka kwaye sa adwuma no tinka the hope is that enipa no aka akire no mo aka akire no nke ya mo hope say oh akwanya wa ha akwanya wa ha asamba penifo no manage ni you
Akoma FM 87.9
manage ni yi general we experienced politician very media Evans yes wait me I disagree with you but me ma dream no general ka beti mama yen and say ayi muntaka the first statement to make here first one be no ye more ye pay attention to that or say omo wa kwanya foforo de ma mabunu no enti mabunu no wo munya awreshemu ne anidaso se aban be koso create opportunities ama wo mo no manya bibi fofraye so I mean we emma sababunu no hey if I no general party for boys the party for no wo mani abre o Enra me wie show nkrofo afrɛ me omoso me nya adwen se makoka se yemfa security services no nukwa se de bia na ekoso ade politics se tintina twa se NDC we NDC ni enimu na on qualify o se tintina fa wo hyem Enra nkrofo frɛ me manfo frɛ me Sir John ana me se kroimu ye security services no ye ni nyina no MPP NDC a ebedru ba bi no se MPP and the election. That's the MPP constituency. Deployment ebeko. Ekoye say NDC for and I say party for. There'll be confusion. Some crofo you manim say yeah nie. Because over the years, and only Akoma, but I didn't need intimacy sign for him. I didn't need intimacy. Now Muntaka no crown a modi adhering in our question. Muntaka. I said, don't get your kind. Oh, you know, or since Muntaka. Hey, I think I am John. Quada 5,000 a form. And yet Muntaka na a bit your mocanyon determines him for you. Budget a year parliament, appropriation a coin. You indicate you make provision. See, I'm finding past Messi. Timuntaka on the way. You are the party for say, and woman crow, Mumma, and for and on I ask him, and also say, a system, Obiam family. And in general, me dear, I disagree. Me no nyadwe kra was ade asem na kan no. Me no nyadwe kra. So obi na pass e bia seja. Ye wa ha ye di enkomo yi. Na no say ye ka lawyers asem yi say lawyers obi aso be lawyer, obi amfa na asem man yonko ni. Eno no on the lighter side, I mean, me aka na bia. But on a platform, ukasa say party for no ma moment sem o ma moment sem Same yet say
bibi aboko na onso e
ene de wa bantem
no correct say de bia e bo make say me man
and the show ni e packed show ni e very very packed nti Evans wo dem me twen why me twen me ni ba bia akọ me twen
unma de bra
nka hope bi ho hope
reset,
why is the hope now
bra reset agenda no
why is the hope
reset agenda no me gidi say free ha for the first time nipa 500,000 na omoto forms aye hwe say 5,000 penny be form no numbers I am form no abai na refund your music and farm omo
sir
yes yes can omo
abai for music and
yes can omo you see sadi we be cause another institution and embassy ye asem say ye kakra of parliament US embassy other embassies no bra we say nim say farm apani ajusta
send what do go through process now
baby
no nim so farm
so there should be a percentage akachi ni pan say yan farm or a very fan music am sad no mo de Ghana ha no omo fa bi nyo citizens ye mfa bi nyo citizens inti empeni for mo di bi ye ya e be den say e be ka ho asem at least reset agenda obi biara ya otwe sika system na eji sika no ebi mu twa mobile money eji omo numbers ya nya refund in farm omo e ba sa na oman na defraud mabunu no omo koye sa ade no oman na defraud yes ye nim say ye fa 5,000 500 bra 5,000 and 500,000 anya 50,000 po nye nim say ye mfa ma auto forms intimacy
no is a 1% though
1% 1% nti ujai forms gu mu na offer 1% mesre omo refund mabunu ni sika fa ye ma o madwuma na enye hwe ye mfa o musika mfa mo na ye ntwen another opportunity e beba no na ye mo nsan fa sai sika na mo de be ma no ento new forms no cause ye make us another opportunity ba ye nsan koto forms na de bia mabunu no kakra obeboa no na ye chim ni inside den eji
I said don't get here say or say when you a lot of messages, calls from young people nationwide. I say, Otimase. I say, when I pointed out that 500,000 young people had applied for only 5,000 available security slots.
87.9.
My intent was to illustrate the depth of the challenge, not to dismiss your concerns. To every young Ghanaian who applied for the security service role and feels disappointed right now, I want you to know that your dream to serve the nation has not gone unnoticed, and it will not go waste. We a krata watch what can't say they watch on the official page, and here can you to hear ya makwabe biu.
Akoma FM.
President John Dramani Mahama and his government came to power on the promise of a Ghana that works for everyone. We are working and we